Hello guys, today we are going on Begunjščica. It is 2060 meters high. It's a little bit foggy, but we will get through it. It's a nice morning. Let's go! We can already see snow. Up there is a little bit foggy, but I really hope that we will have a nice view. It's quite windy. I highly recommend a windstop jacket because this side is getting pretty wind hammered, at least the northern side. I don't know how it is on the southern side, but the northern side is quite wind hammered. You can see snow is still here, but otherwise it's so beautiful. It's so amazing. I'm so grateful that I live in a country with so many beautiful mountains, so many beautiful places. Here we go! Look at this crazy fog! Super nice! Yeah. We are near the top almost. You can see this iron rope to help you climb, but you actually don't need it. It's super nice. Just the views are not that good because of fog. It's a lot of fog here, but otherwise it's nice. It's super nice. Hello guys, we have come to Ljubelj dom on Begunjščica. Is this mountaineering house over here. We have come to collect stamps. I have collected one. This will be the second one, and then we have to go up there again to collect the third one on the summit on Begunjščica. We're gonna have a short break here, drinking some hot tea and looking and enjoying in this beautiful view.
Last meters.
Guys, so we have arrived to Begunjščica, 2060 meters. It's a little bit of snow left. It is extremely cold and we don't have luck with views, so we won't be up here very long because it's really cold. Okay, and that is the end of our road. We are drinking Slovenian native liquor called schnapps and Slovenian beer Laško and Union. So I will cheers with my friend. Cheers.